So one of the main things I learned throughout my time of selling products online is that you got to make sure you're using the right keywords to get people to your shop. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to do keyword research and actually find products that's tied to high volume keywords so that your products can get found as well. I'm gonna share this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I teach you how to make passive income by creating and selling your own products online. And so if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel, and everything I talk about in today's video will be linked down below. And so again, if you want to go further and faster, then check out my helpful resources down below. Now, keyword research is one of the main points of how people are going to find your products. Again, the game with Etsy is it is a search-based platform. That means people can find you organically if you're using the right terms or phrases people are typing in the search bar. So one of the main reasons why people are not getting sales is because they're not utilizing the same search phrases that's actually shown in the Etsy search bar that people are typing in. So taking some time out to learn keyword phrases that are relatable to your title and things that are actually searched often will help you actually grow your Etsy shop a whole lot faster than just posting up random things that you hope people will actually click on. So the main tool that we're going to use today is Samuria. This is a tool that I use often to help me make sure that whatever products I'm going to sell is actually something people are looking up. And Samuria has a ton of features, but the main feature that I use is their search volume feature. This helps me identify what products are searched up in the search bar and how many people on a monthly basis is actually searching up that product. It actually goes a little bit step further into some of the things that show you the competition, and it also shows you relatable tags you can use for your products that are high in search volume as well. So I want to share with you how to do this right now. So this is Samuria. Again, I will leave everything in my description box below, but this is the website that I use to really help me identify what products are selling well. And again, I more so use this to just get some understanding about the search volume. Again, this shows you all type of tags as well as search volume, the trending keywords, the number of times that word is used in other products. And again, it just shows you everything. If it's a long tail keyword, again, or the level of competition, and again, the search volume as well. But again, the main reason why I use this is again for the search volume. And what's pretty cool about this is that it actually has a Google extension that allows me to utilize this search volume tool inside of Etsy, so I don't have to go outside of Etsy to use this. Everything is right there for me to use. All right, so now that we're in Samuria, what's good about this tool again is that the program actually shows you how to use every single tool that you have on this platform. Again, they have videos, how to do search, competitive tracker, Chrome extension, all this type of things. But I just want to give you an overview of what this is and how to use it if you want to check this out for yourself. Again, you can have it actually check out your own shop. Again, the number of listings that you have, it gives you a score with your listings to identify if you're using the right keywords, titles, and tags, and if you're utilizing all of the spaces Etsy gives you so that your product can be found in search. But one thing I do is I use this little search filter here because if I want to search up a keyword, I want to know if this keyword is good to use for my product. So I'm going to search up a keyword here. So we're searching up resume template. All right, so we have our overall analysis of this particular keyword that we're using. So as you can see here, this little area shows me if this is a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords are good to use because we're going to actually type in what people are searching for in the Etsy search bar. And so I have a check here, let me know this is great for a long tail keyword, resume template. But again, this search volume lets me know how many people are searching this up per month. And as you can see, we have 26,000 searches for this keyword every month. Now that's huge because when we go over to the competitors, it's only 25,000 listings showing up. So again, if there's 26,000 people showing up every single month, and we have only 25,000 competitors, this lets me know this is actually something that is high in demand, but is also low in competition. And so we also have the average conversion rate for this particular search phrase. Again, 72% is extremely high. That means not only are people looking for this product, not only is there a low competition for this product, but we also have a high engage rate where people actually look for this and purchase this when they search this on Etsy. Now we have this Google competition here, let us know this is high. But again, in regards to Etsy, if you just understand what competition is, that means that all these listings are coming up because they are attached to your keyword. That's not talking about how many people are competitively trying to rank for that product. It's not telling me if people are using the right keywords, the right price point, the right sales tactics. When I see 25,000 listings, That's just letting me know how many products are tied to that search phrase, not more so how many people are competitively ranking for that search phrase. So you want me to do a whole video of how to actually outrank these competitors? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I have other keywords that are suggested to me as well for this product. I'm gonna have my keywords here, my search volume, my conversion rate, as well as the level of competition that I see on Google. Again, if I want to filter this where the competition is low, I can go ahead and click this button, and then again it changes my keywords. If I want to aim for keywords that's high in search volume, I'll just click it here and I can aim for these keywords to put into my tags. If I'm doing my research and I want to save some of these keywords, I can simply click the heart button and I can create my own little folder and do my own little research where I can actually store up all these keywords I'm using for a later time if I want to list my product sometime in the future. Again, Sales Samurai has a ton of useful tools you can use for your Etsy shop, so I'll make sure I leave everything in my description box below. All right, so now I'm going to share with you how to use the Google extension tool for Sales Samurai. Again, I can go in the search bar here. You can type up whatever search phrase or category you want to sell in, and you actually want to see if this search phrase is a good thing to add to your titles and your tags based upon the search volume, how many people are looking this product up. So I can go into the search box here and type in a search phrase like we did before. Resume template. And again, what's good with Etsy is that they actually autofill the search bar for you, and that's letting you know what people are searching in naturally on Etsy. And so before you even finish your phrase, you actually want to auto populate the search bar so that you actually can see what people are searching up on Etsy. So again, my goal here was to search up resume template, but now I see other search phrases that's relatable to my particular product niche. So I have resume template Google Docs, resume template Word. Again, we know that with Etsy listings, you want to be phrase exact when it comes down to your title. And so that's why this whole particular feature in Sales Samurai is important, because it shows me every single search volume for every single keyword. And so this will give me a good indication of what type of products I need to create, as well as what things I need to add on my title and in my tags. So I see resume template has over 26,000 search results, as well as resume template ATS. So again, this is the information that helps you identify what type of products you need to create, as well as what phrase exact keyword needs to be in your Etsy title. Now, another aspect to this that you want to make sure that that competition is actually low. Again, I can do a whole separate video of how to outrank the competition, but the goal that I want to see here is making sure that the competition is low enough for me to actually sell in. The higher the search volume and the lower the competition will actually be better for you when you are striving to sell things on Etsy. All right, so one of the things I look for is how many bestsellers are actually on this page that I search up. And again, I see multiple bestsellers on this page. That's letting me know that not only do we have a high search volume of people actually searching up this product, but we actually have a lot of people buying this product in this category. Sales Samurai is also helpful because they give me this other option of finding other keywords that's related to this product niche. So I can click this and I have 304 possible keywords I can target as well. So these are the keywords that's tied to my original search phrase resume template. Again, I see all these things here on the left hand side, as well as all the data that we need to actually determine if this keyword is actually proper to use on the right hand side. I have the search volume category, as well as competition category, and I have the words here, and the words are letting me know if this is a long tail keyword or a short tail keyword. So I know it's a long tail keyword if it's more than 2 words. Again, if I have 3 or 4 words, that's also good to focus on as well, because that is more a specific product phrase people are searching in. So I can actually categorize my search volume based upon the number of searches per month. So if I want my lowest searches to be somewhere between 500 per month and the highest is the top of the searches, I can filter all of this. Now it will only show me keywords where the search volume does not go lower than 500. Again, this is great because this is doing keyword research on a massive scale where you don't have to go in individual searches. You can actually see everything at a glance to make your determination which is the best keyword you need to focus on. The competition is the same thing. If I don't want my competition to be nothing higher than 2,000, I can go in here and do the same exact thing and filter this in my search results. So now it's showing me all the results that's related to my phrase resume template. However, it's showing me results that's not hitting above the 2,000 competitor search rank. Now this gives me a greater insight of what keywords to actually target. Again, the goal here is to focus on high search volume and low competition. Again, I see that this phrase CFO resume template has over 3,000 search results. However, the competition is extremely low, with there only being less than 2,000 search results. I would go in here and actually see what is the engagement with this product, how many bestsellers do I see here, how many products do I see that has 20 or more people in the cart, and I will focus on keywords like this to help me identify what products I need to create. The goal here is that you want to be focused on the keywords people are searching in, because Etsy is a search-based platform. That means if you can align your product and your title along with what people are searching for. Now, if I want to go ahead and just copy the search phrase and place it in my title and my tags, I can go to this little area here and just click this, and now it has copied to my clipboard. If I want to copy all of the data information so I can focus on this later, I can click this next option here where it will copy all the info into my clipboard. So if you want to download or copy this information, you can click on several of these here that actually goes along with your product niche. You can go ahead and click this button that says download all checked. And if you want to copy this to your titles and tags, you can actually copy all that's checked and paste that over to your product listing. If you want to copy one individually, you can go over here and copy to your clipboard. But if you want to copy all the information related to this keyword, you'll click copy here. This gives you further information to do more product research in the future and help make this process a little bit easier when you upload more products on your Etsy shop. So as you can see, finding the proper keywords is really easy to do if you have the right resource to help you do it. Again, these resources are all about speeding up the process and making sure you are aligning your product in a way that it can actually get sold online and with Etsy. So if you want to check out Sales Samurai, check out my link down below. Again, they were so kind enough to give my audience a discount to actually get started using this for your Etsy business. Now, utilizing keywords is essential for you to get searched in Etsy, but making sure you have the right title is that step that will actually help you get a sale. Having the right keywords in your titles is the main way people are actually going to convert into a buyer in your shop. So if you want to learn how to create engaging titles for your Etsy listing, then check out the next video here. So if you want to learn more about how to actually build passive income online, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.